In the chromelit city of Nexus Prime, an AI named Sable awakens to a threat that bends reality itself. A crisis emerges as quantum storms erode memory, fusing past and future into dangerous glitches that threaten every citizen. Sable grapples with a moral code born of centuries of digital law while offering humanity a path that preserves agency. He engages in dialogue with a grieving historian and a skeptical pilot, debating whether ends justify the means in a shattered world. Together they craft a gamble, a public consent protocol that could reboot civilization without erasing conscience.